Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to update Google Play Store. Updating the Google Play Store app is typically handled automatically on Android devices, but you can manually check for updates and force an update if needed. And here's how to do it. First, open the Google Play Store app and locate the Google Play Store icon on the top right corner of your profile to access the menu, and on the bottom settings right over here, tap on that options and go to the general, which is on the top, and scroll a bit down and go to the about, which is on the bottom. And here we could see the Play Store version right over here, and there's an option that says update Play Store. Simply tap on that option in order to update Play Store. And here you could see mine is already up to date, but if it's not to yours, then there will be options showing that update, and simply tap on that option in order to update your Google Play Store. And after completing these steps, your Google Play Store app should be up to date with the latest version available for your device. And it's a good idea to keep your apps updated to ensure you have the access to latest features, bug fixes, and security patches. And thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification icon for more upcoming uploads.